What is the best time of the day to trade forex? From our experience, certain times of the day tend to have better market activity than others. This presentation will help you understand which times of the day are best suited for trading. The best time to trade is when the market is most active. This occurs when more than one of the four major markets are open simultaneously. During this time, there's increased trading activity, which translates to more significant currency fluctuations. These overlapping sessions present higher price ranges, resulting in greater opportunities. Let's take a closer look at the three overlapping sessions that happen each day. The New York-London session, from 8 a.m. to noon Eastern Standard Time. This is the heaviest overlapping session across the markets, with more than 70% of all trades happening with the US dollar and the euro being the two most popular currencies to trade. This is a widely favored time to trade since price activity is high. The Sydney-Tokyo session, from 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This session is not as volatile as the New York-London session, but it still offers a chance to trade in a period of decent currency fluctuation. The Euro-Japanese yen is the ideal currency pair during this session, as these are the two main currencies influenced. The London-Tokyo session, from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This overlapping session sees the least amount of action of the three, as most North American-based traders are asleep, and the 1-hour session gives little opportunity to observe significant market activity. In summary, the best time to trade is during overlapping sessions in trading times between open markets, as they equate to higher price ranges, resulting in greater opportunities. Thank you for watching our presentation to the very end. Subscribe to our channel for more videos where we simplify finance. And in closing, consider these words of advice: you will never find time for anything. If you want time, you must make it.